Hello, people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are watching more. I'm quite sure that you people must have seen what is actually going on, what are the passing through. It's not actually easy. It's obvious that I'm actually the only one that is actually handling all these battles all the time. I've tried to reach out to many people, but yet they are giving me one kind of attitude in which I don't understand. Whichever way, I thank God at least I still have some people that are actually reaching out to me in regards to this divine issue. As it stands like this, I believe you're watching the video. On this place. If you're watching this video, you can see what you're passing through. Because all this while, sincerely, he has that day that stuff happened, took him to the hospital. You have to rush him to the hospital because you can't take it. So you can't take it as something that is very small because seeing him just coming in like that, vomiting blood, even whenever he sneezes like this or like he blows his nose, just blood just coming out. So you're kind of wondering. We took him to the hospital. Hospital report came out and saying that there's no that he cannot see anything. I was kind of dumbfounded. I don't just know. How can hospital tell me that somebody that keeps on vomiting blood, if anything enters his mouth like this, he will start vomiting. Anything enters his mouth like this, he will start vomiting. Okay, we've been there for close to I think a week back. Yes, we've been there for close to a week. All the bills, hospital bills and bed that he has been lying down and the things we have been buying and every other thing. He has been there, and yet they say they cannot find one particular thing that is wrong with him, and yet he keeps on vomiting blood. They say let's bring it back home. I also brought him back home. That is how this particular video you are seeing here comes out to be. He went to toilet and he's shitting his. You people that have been asking me how did this thing come to be, is the thing is, had it been he's able to at least say something or open up and say, okay, even if it is murmured, I murmured it, I went to, but he cannot even open his mouth, as in cannot even open his mouth and tell me, okay, this is what happened or this. So I don't just know in this particular situation, and it's obvious that the family member self has been calling me all this while. They have been calling me, but I don't want the way it is. If I open up to anybody now, they will start feeling they will come and arrest me. And if they arrest me, there's no how way any other person can take care of the vine. Because the way it is now, they don't know what is wrong. They will keep thinking that I'm actually the one that did him whatever. And thank God, that is why it's obvious that whenever anything happened, I open camera. You guys saw the once that thing started, once he knocked on that door and I opened that door for him, I noticed that particular. I asked that guy to open camera because if I did not do that thing, I know what people might have said. Whichever way, I still thank God for at least for giving me that initiative to do that particular thing I did that day. So I thank everybody that have actually showed any support, both by checking in and both by checking up on him and asking me how is it going and the rest of them, and people that have been trying to send one or two things in order to support for his health. I thank you very much. We've actually there for those of you asking how far Prophet Origi. The thing is, Oluchi this day she has been having this midweek prayer. It was as she told me, family midweek prayer with his family somewhere. I don't know the particular place she mentioned to me. I've forgotten that name, but whichever she said she was going to come today. She promised me that she will come today on Friday, and that she has been praying for the event and nothing will happen to it. That she has actually seen that she actually foresaw that in coming, and she wants divine in regards to that, but divine fails to listen to him because that particular day he told me that he called divine on phone, but he did not pick his call. And even before that day, that he had a dream and he has called divine and told divine that he should be careful that there's something coming for him, though it was not sent to him, but it will surely meet him. That he should be careful, he should mind where he go and every other thing. But yet, divine failed to listen to that, to heed to that advice. And one thing that always makes me vex with this particular guy called Divine is that whenever he's leaving, he doesn't even tell anybody where he's going unless he is there, and it will be like, okay, he will stay out late at night. I'll be like, okay, what's happened? Now this one will never come back. We'll call her. He'll be like, I'm with this person, I'm with this person. I don't have to confirm to be sure that he's there with that person and give the person phone, and then they spoke and they say, okay, no problem now. Since when you're coming by, you said I'll be I'll be back soon. I said, okay, no problem. Unless that all of us went together to go and shoot or that kind of thing. That is only time that we only know, okay, this is where divine is going. But whenever he's on his own, that we are even that particular day that he left, I was here. Oh. I was in my room here. I was here, and he left. I was even calling because I was actually live. I couldn't. I don't want to interrupt the live I was doing that time. I was trying to reach out to him, but I couldn't reach out to him because I was live, and I wouldn't want to interrupt the live that I was doing then. That was why it's as if I didn't ask him also. After then, I chatted him up, see how far. He ignored my chat till he came back, and then came back and started vomiting blood. So all these things that has been happening, I still don't know where I want to start from. Left for me, I have spent the whole money on me. You guys can see how rough and how tattered I am. Up this way, I've not rested. I'm still battling the one of the other guy that with preserve will be fresh or whatever. Now this one now come. Only me handling it. I've even tried to reach out to Mona, but Mona is not responding to me. Even what's that the prophetess goodness. Everybody claims to be occupied in this period, and I won't blame them because all of them have whatever they are doing, and if they can't start moving here and there, and even where they are coming from is very far. If they imply to come now, I have to cater for their transport and everything. Even divine sewing machine sef, I was so though it paid me so, but I don't know what I will do. I just have to make do with it. I have to sell it. Now I have to find funds to support the hospital bills. Yet the bills I keep accumulating. I don't know what to do. I have to bring him home. I have to bring him home. At least I was able to plead with one of the nurses and one of the since the people they are actually good at what they do. From what they told me. Oh. So they're actually good at what they do. So they brought him home, and they even he's actually in the room there, and they are infusing blood into him. So the blood there's some blood that we bought, and yeah, the man is just I don't know what to. I don't know. Please, you guys should put us in prayer. Put us in prayer. Thank you. Please, as you're watching this video, please like, share, and comment. If you have anybody want to tag on this video, please tag it. Because me, self, I'm tired. I don't know what to do. At this point in time, I'm tired. I'm tired.